So let's remove those old diode lags and then remove the old solder tin, solder in the new diodes, FFV joint battery, portable soldering iron, soldering tin. Let's get to it. I'm just gonna pre-tin those pads real quick. Hold on, so I need to hold it and then like this. Turn it around. A little bit for this side. I'm too lazy to bring my soldering hot air station and helping hand, so just doing it like that. And now we drop it in, hold it down. It's difficult working in tight spaces. Hold on. Yeah, I need fresh solder. Yep. Push it back a little. That looks connected to me. Alright, diode is in position, focusing, yes, looks good to me, and the current goes from there to there, so my marking on the diode is closer to the charger keys. So those coils have thermal pads on the top which correspond to those markings on the cover, so it's not advised to run the charger without the cover on, so I'm just gonna put it here and put some weight on it. With everything I have, I'm gonna put it here, and then let's go and connect everything. And never mind, I decided to put some screws to hold the cover so I can do some tests. One in this corner, one in that corner, and maybe one on this side. Now do the usual high voltage disconnect plug-in. 12-volt battery. Moment of truth. 28%. Wait. 28% and 37 kilometers range on the gasometer. The car is on. Parking brake engaged, no seatbelt. I think, oh yeah, we're on. Power steering is working, so ready. All right, so now we turn it off, and then you see we're going to charge. To start charging, please plug in. This is my 16 amp 250 volt surge protector connected to my level 1 EVSE. And for the final, I'm nervous. Plug in, and we run, and we wait, and we have charging. But yeah, that's not new. Focus thing. It's not focusing. Yeah, it's focusing now. So now we have charging, and then let's see how long it takes before it blows. That's the diode. Supposedly 6 hours before completing. As you can see, it's charging. And it's charging. Alright, I'll get back to you if anything changes.